Day 146, Physics, Circuits Homework, Problem 2B. Here's a fairly straightforward problem. You just have two resistors in series, so it's a one-step diagram problem. You combine them, 2 plus 1 is 3 ohms, 6 volts. So then you can apply Ohm's law, V equals IR. V is 6, I unknown yet, but you can probably see where it's going. I will be 2 amps. That's what will flow in this path right here, 2 amps. That's what's going to be flowing up here at the original diagram, 2 amps. Each resistor gets 2 amps. So now you can calculate the voltage of each of those two resistors at the top. I'll use green. So for the 1 ohm resistor, it's going to be the current times the resistance. So the voltage will be, well, there's 2 amps flowing through it. It's a 1 ohm resistor, so its voltage is 2 volts. And likewise, for the 2 ohm resistor, it will be its current times its resistance. The current is 2 amps, resistance of 2 ohms, so its voltage is 4 volts. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Total voltage is 6 volts. You can plug those numbers in once again and calculate the last column, the power column, by multiplying the current times the voltage, and make sure you include the units of watts.